Let's apply the real principle to find the value of x and x here. We are asked to solve for x plus 4 is equals to 8. Now we normally say that when the word plus cross equal sign to change to what? Minus. Just for students to understand. The real thing, that if plus is here, plus 4 is here, we are going to say what? Subtract minus 4 from both what? Side. This is the right language that we are supposed to use. Then we now have x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to what? 8 minus 4. We have subtract minus 4 from both sides. So we now have x plus 0 is equals to what? 4. Then our s is equals to 4. This is how to solve this question. And if here is minus, what you are going to do is, if it is minus, you say what? Add what? Plus 4 to what? To both sides. This is what you are going to do. Then we now have x minus 4 plus 4 equals to what? 8 plus 4. Then minus 4 plus 4 give us 0. Then 8 plus 4 give us 12. Then the value of s is now 12. This is the mathematical way of solving this question. We know for students to understand, we normally say when plus cross equal sign to change to minus, and here when it is plus and when it cross flip to equal sign to change to what? Plus. Thank you. Follow me for more beginners case study.